What's going on, guys? We are back, and today's video is going to be about me taking the Miata to the tuner. We are going to the tuner. I have an appointment like at 2 o'clock. It is 7 in the morning, like 7:30 I believe. Alright fam, so I went ahead and did my boost leaks test. That one's good to go. We got the oil change check. All I gotta do is tighten up some bolts, make sure everything's all tight and snugged and put away. Make sure I have enough coolant, and go drive it around the block, make sure everything's still good. And from there we're gonna wash the car and get it ready to go get to the dyno. So we are good to go. We are heading over to the dyno. I made sure everything's good, all my lines are tight. I made there was no leaks, oil change, everything was good. I already did the spark plugs a couple days ago, and I re-gapped them to 28, so we are good to go. I did bring a couple things, because I don't know how long it's gonna be. So I'll see you guys at the dyno and hope for the best. I gotta drive like about 40 minutes out. I gotta drive as safe as possible and try not to hit boost. So let's go. All right fam, so everything's going good. We're halfway there. Well, say like 30% there, but I mean so far the car's handling up. I smell no leaks. I smell no coolant. So we made it. It's been like over an hour, I think, maybe, or probably exactly like an hour it took me to get here. All right, so we got 3 Mazdas. There's one more in there. That's a Volkswagen. I don't even know what that is, but it is dope, pretty cool. It's all boosted. Mine's right here, crooked ass parking, but he's gonna help me with everything today. I'm kind of excited. And this one that's coming out, it's actually pretty clean, man. I've never seen one like this, and oh my god, it's pretty cool. So let's hope mine handles good today and I don't blow up. So should be good to go. Alright, so car's on the dyno. We're about to go in there and he's updating all the firmware, so we're gonna check it out, and it's getting close.
Fixed timing to check the timing. Yeah. You never changed it back. It's stuck on 10 degrees the whole time.
Alright, so there's some rules here, which is at every shop, which we should always respect. When the car is running and it's being dynoed, we're not allowed to be in there. I mean, I could be on the other side, on the front of the car, but it's gonna be pretty loud. So we're gonna stay here, and there's the camera. I could see it from this room. I got some stuff going on. Where he's visualizing is right there, and that's the outside of the car. So looks like everything's good. First he's gonna run a little run out of boost, so that's a good thing. And then he's gonna go into boost and start from there. Do everything on the safe side, like he said. I think he's done this over I think over 2,000, 20,000 times. I know it's a big difference, but I don't remember. It starts with a 2. So, yep, we're waiting. Alright, so everything's going good so far. He hasn't waved at me. Usually when he waves, that means go over there and he'll talk to me, but always turning on, but it keeps shutting off. So, there we go. So here we go, it's actually being tuned. it was spinning so fast. Alright, I don't know what's going on, so it's at steady idle. So we're gonna check them, So while I'm in here, they told me, I forgot what it's called, but as long as the back wheel's not spinning, I could go over there. But if it's spinning, I cannot go over there because I'm in that little room over there. So if a boat or something were to fly in there and it shoots through out, it's gonna be shooting over 100 miles per hour, and there goes me. I died. So safe and sound so far. All right, there we go. All right, 187. So we started from 145, 152, 183, now 187. All right, guys, so he's checking some stuff out, and everything's going good so far. We're about to go for a drive, but this is what we're looking at. And yep, time to get it off the dyno and go for a spin. All right, guys, so it's finally tuned. We are gonna go for a little spin. We're just going around the building because that one driveway is pretty steep. So I hope you guys can see everything and it's not so shaky. I have you guys attached to the front windshield. Scared the shit out of me. Alright, let's go back. Damn, that was freaking fast. Yeah, definitely worth it. Fast. Alright, guys, there was a crash right in front of me. So we're back, and yesterday that was the last little video was when I was in going on my way home. You guys saw that little accident. That was just me letting you guys know, be careful. Finally home. When I got home yesterday, I had to come to work. So today I'm just gonna explain to you guys what happened, you know, at the tuner. You guys saw a little bit of the tuner videos. The car ran perfect. Actually, I did have a problem, which was the alternator was providing way too much power, but you know, as long as, you know, the car wasn't dying, I was fine. We managed to get that going and work with that. So the car did end up pushing 200 horsepower, and I have the sheet with me right here. And today I'm gonna clean the car because it's pretty clean in here now, but you know, I want to deep clean it, get that nice, get that smelling good. Let me put the sheet inside so you guys can see a little bit better. So this is my dyno sheet right here. Let me see if I get that nice and big for you guys. So we got the max power 200.96. What is that at 5.2 rpm, max torque at 189. You guys, thanks, you know, for subscribing. Thanks for liking my videos. Make sure you guys subscribe. I know I have a lot of viewers that just watch but never subscribe. Subscribing means a lot to me. You know, likes do as well, and comments. So please. Also, that's pretty much it. So we're gonna get to it, start, you know, fixing this car up a little bit, get a nice little touch up so that I know it's dirty. I haven't washed it over months. So yep, that's pretty much it for today's video. That's my whole build. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe, like this video. Stay tuned for the next one. I really appreciate everybody helping me out, subscribing and liking, so keep doing that. Peace.